Hi, this is Divya, Assistant Professor, Biomedical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about robot programming. How does the robots gets programmed and what are the types of programming structures? Okay, and now we are going to see about the robot programming languages are classified into 5 distinct levels. Okay, the robot programming languages are classified into 5 distinct levels. One is microprocessor or a microcomputer level, point to point level, motion level, structural programming level, and a task oriented level. Okay, one is microprocessor or a microcomputer level, point to point level. Third one is motion level, structural programming level, and task oriented level. In the microprocessor level, traditional assembly language is used. Okay, this is the first one where processor level, traditional assembly language. We used to program the robots in a basic assembly languages is used. And next is in the point to point level. What we are going to do in the point to point level? The robot's joints are moved through a series of points in the workspace by either a teach pendant or by a manual movement through appropriate points. Teach pendant in the sense the pendant reaches one end and comes back to another end. Likewise, the point to point level robot's joints can be moved, or else manually the joints can be moved one by one. Okay, these points are stored and stored programs, if required, can be edited. These programs can be programmed and stored, or else we can edit the programs when required. Okay, a simple program is that go to point C, stop. Okay, from one point to another point it will be moving to point C and it will stop, and then go to point D, it will go to point D and then it will get stopped. Then open gripper, the gripper will be opened to pick the object. This is called the point to point object, point to point level programming. One point to one point, okay, point to point the programs will be given, okay, will be given, and the final output will be measured. Okay, next is the motion level. What is called the motion level? Point to point motion can be implemented. Point to point level is the point to point we program it and then according to that program it will be working and the final output will be given. In the motion level, point to point motion can be implemented. Additional features available in this level are branching, subrouting, and sensing capabilities. Motion is that we can branch we can have different branches where the robots to be moved. Okay, subroutines, once we'll have 1 2 3 4, for example we'll have a 1 2 3 4 as a main routine, we'll have a subroutine inside called 5 6 7 8. It can be routed inside also. Okay, and sensing capabilities, we'll have many sensors located in the robots to sense what kind of object is that, and it can be work according to the applications. Okay, next is in structural level programming. What is called structural level programming? Extensive use of coordinate transformations and frames are possible. Extensive use of coordinate transformations and frames are possible. Complex data structures, sensor processing, and parallel processing capabilities are the features of this level. We can have coordinate transformations, different kind of coordinates, x, y, z coordinate, and frames are possible. Okay, that these are the structures of the programs, how how the structure of the robots is defined. As such, the program is also can be simplified. Okay, complex data structures, sensor processing, and parallel processing capabilities are the features of this level. if, then, else, and while do structures provides powerful control aids in this level. If, then, else, and while do, these are the programming structures. As we all know that we use these in the C, C++ or something programs like that. Likewise, we can accordingly we can program it if we want to do if you want to pick this or else pick that object. Okay, we can program using these programming levels. These are the structured programming levels. Definable subroutines can also be accommodated in this level. Definable subroutines, we can define the subroutines, how the robots should move. Okay, we can define the subroutines, and then according to that the task can be performed. Okay, we can see we have 5 categories. First one is microprocessor level, which is an assembly language is used, and next is point to point level, 1 point to 1 point. We can program it, we can stop it, and then we can perform the task. And the motion, according to the branching, subroutine, and sensing capabilities, this motion level can be operated. And fourth one is structured programming level, as we have complex data structures also, and sensor processing method and parallel processing capabilities are incorporated in this structured programming level. We can use if, else, then, while, do while, all these programming structures to program and perform according to the program's design, and the robot will perform its exact operation what is to be performed. Thank you.